Welcome to Review Lab. The best flue hole cover is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential components for maintaining the efficiency and safety of your fireplace or wood-burning stove, acting as a crucial barrier against drafts, heat loss, and unwanted pests while not in use, ensuring that your home remains cozy and energy efficient throughout the year, and this review will guide you through selecting the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Wool Chimney Flue Plug. Tired of cold air and unpleasant smells coming from your fireplace? Our chimney plug creates a tight seal to block them out. This draft stopper is designed to fit 8 or 9-inch round flue openings. It's easily trimmable for a custom fit. Please note, this product cannot be used with an active vented gas log set. Ensure your gas logs are disabled or removed for safe operation. Enjoy a warmer, quieter home. It stops drafts, odors, noise, and debris, saving you money on heating costs. Forget complicated setups. Simply insert it into your flue above the firebox for an effective draft seal. Removal is just as easy. Crafted from dense, durable 100% herdwick wool, it stays securely in place without deflating or puncturing. What we like. This wool draft stopper is designed to create a tight seal in your chimney flue. If you are looking for a natural and reusable solution to block drafts, odors, and debris, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want to improve their home's warmth and reduce energy loss without complex installation. What people say. The flue hole cover is a perfect fit for my fireplace. It's made of durable material and looks great. Easy to install and provides a good seal. Number 4. 2-pack stainless steel kitchen sink hole cover. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel and ABS, this accessory is built to last. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand daily use in your kitchen. Keep your kitchen spotless with its effective leak-proof design. It prevents water from escaping, ensuring your floors stay dry and your space remains tidy. Installation is a breeze. The threaded shank screws into place easily, and the silicone grip holds it securely. No tools are needed for a quick setup. Designed to fit standard sink openings, this cover provides a clean and finished look. It's the ideal solution for unused faucet holes. Each package comes with 2 sink hole covers. This provides you with a convenient solution for 1 or 2 faucet holes. What we like. This stainless steel cover is ideal for sealing unused faucet holes in your kitchen sink. If you need a durable and tidy solution to prevent water leaks and keep your countertop clean, this is the product for you. It's designed for a quick, tool-free installation, making it perfect for anyone looking to update their sink area with minimal effort. What people say. The flue hole cover is a perfect fit for my fireplace. It's made of durable metal and feels very sturdy. The design is simple yet elegant, and it effectively blocks drafts. Number 3. Legacy Acanthus Ceiling Medallion. Introducing our Legacy Acanthus Ceiling Medallion, a stunning piece that brings timeless elegance to any room. Its intricate details are sure to impress. Designed to fit canopies up to 312 inches, this medallion offers a seamless integration with your existing ceiling fixtures. It's the perfect finishing touch. Enjoy a hassle-free upgrade with its lightweight construction, making installation quick and easy. Transform your space in no time. Crafted for durability, it can be easily cut, drilled, or screwed using common tools. This versatility ensures it fits your specific project needs. Achieve a luxurious, high-end look without breaking the bank. It's an inexpensive way to instantly renovate your home with minimal effort. The primed finish is ready to be painted, allowing you to customize it to perfectly match your decor. Add your personal touch for a truly unique look. What we like. This ceiling medallion offers a quick and inexpensive way to add a high-end look to your home. If you're looking to instantly renovate a room with minimal effort and time, this is an excellent choice. Its lightweight design and ability to be cut and drilled make it perfect for DIY enthusiasts wanting to add decorative flair to light fixtures. What people say. The flue hole cover is a perfect fit for my fireplace. It is easy to install and looks great. The cover is made of durable material and seems like it will last a long time. Number 2. YITAHOME 17x29 Stainless Steel Chimney Cap. Introducing the YITAHOME Chimney Cap, designed to keep your fireplace safe and clean. This durable cover offers extensive protection against unwanted elements. Our chimney cap features an adjustable design, ensuring a flexible fit for various flue sizes. Easily adapted to your specific needs for a secure and snug match. Enjoy peace of mind with this fireplace cover. It effectively stops leaves, critters, rain, and debris from entering your flue, providing year-round protection. Experience optimal ventilation with its dense mesh structure. This design promotes air circulation and smooth smoke exhaust, ensuring safe and efficient stove combustion. Crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel, this cap is built to last. It offers superior resistance to weather elements, providing effective protection against erosion and sun. Installation is a breeze with pre-drilled holes, making it easy for anyone to assemble in minutes. Safety gloves are included to ensure a secure and comfortable setup process. What we like. This chimney cap provides robust protection against a variety of elements, including leaves, animals, and rain. If you need a durable, long-lasting solution for your outdoor chimney that offers excellent ventilation and spark prevention, this is the one. Its adjustable design ensures a secure fit, making it ideal for homeowners seeking comprehensive flue protection in any weather. What people say. The Flue Hole cover is a perfect fit for my fireplace. Easy to install and looks great. Number 1. Imperial Manufacturing 671-9900 Adjustable Flue Stopper. Introducing the Imperial Manufacturing Adjustable Flue Stopper, designed to fit flue openings of 6, 7, and 8 inches. Its adjustable spring ensures a snug and secure fit every time. This versatile stopper serves as a decorative plug, perfect for covering your wood stove chimneys and vent stacks. It offers a clean and finished look. Crafted with durable 24-gauge steel, this stopper is built to last. The robust construction ensures reliability for your chimney needs. Featuring adjustable anchors, it stays securely in place once installed. Enjoy peace of mind with its dependable design. For proper installation, please consult your local building codes. This ensures that the stopper is fitted according to approved practices in your area. What we like. This adjustable flue stopper is designed for wood stove chimneys and vent stacks, offering a secure and decorative solution. If you are looking for a reliable way to plug your flue with a sturdy, easy-to-install option, this product is a great fit. Its adjustable anchors ensure it stays in place, making it suitable for those who prioritize a snug and safe fit for their chimney openings. What people say. The Flue Hole cover is a great addition to my fireplace. It fits perfectly and keeps out drafts. Easy to install and looks very neat. It's a simple but effective solution for blocking off the flue hole. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.